from Lions Clubs International. This is LQ, Lions Quarterly. We begin with Lions making a global impact. Many people in the world are hungry, sick, poor, uneducated. Natural resources are dwindling. Lions worldwide address these important issues. Eradicate extreme poverty and hunger.
We are helping children which are suffering from malnutrition.
We are helping 29 families who are of the age 60 and above and who don't have anyone to look after them. This is a ration for 30 days.
The homeless know that we're here, and we serve them soup every Wednesday evening.
Yeah, take anyone you want.
A lot of families that we help just need a helping hand for a few months, and that's what we're there to serve.
It gives you the satisfaction of realizing you've done something for your neighbor, your community, for your country.
Achieve universal primary education.
We helped establish the first school in the community that can educate both deaf and blind.
My passion is to help children so that they can get a good education for their future. Without this program, it will be very difficult for some students to continue their education to the next level.
We work with 3 to 5-year-old children to prepare them for kindergarten, give them some basic skills. Good job.
We provide a nursery school, a play center, a children's library. He has zebras beans.
Promote gender equality and empower women.
We teach illiterate women to read and write. We help them in class and also teach them how to use computers.
We are collecting backpacks and school supplies to send over to Afghanistan for girls who don't have school supplies or basic needs like socks.
It's great to know that we can help them and make a difference.
Reduce child mortality.
Water is life. When you provide water to where there is no water, you feel very happy because we are serving those in need.
The children had big tummies from worms in their bellies. Some children were dying from stomach aches. But that doesn't happen anymore.
This is really for us a pride because a borehole has changed the life of a village.
Premature babies need nutrition. The maternal milk bank provides more benefits to the newborns.
We have been involved in the maternal milk bank project for 5 years to combat child mortality. It's a great accomplishment.
Combat major diseases.
It means a lot for Ethiopia to have a proper measles immunization program.
If we can prevent measles in Madagascar, it will be a wonderful thing.
We are really very happy and very proud to see them coming with UNICEF and other partners to fight measles.
My hope is to eradicate all the diseases.
We dream to see a country where nobody will be dying from malaria, nobody will be going blind from trachoma.
We have been going out to the community to teach about HIV/AIDS and health in general. We want people to learn how to protect and take care of themselves.
Ensure environmental sustainability.
If the paper is recycled, environmentally, that's great because we're reusing a product over and over. And that means that we don't cut down as many trees.
It's important to the planet because of the growing population, and we're just running out of forests and natural products.
The only solution to safeguard our Mother Earth is by planting more trees. Our Lions have made 34 lakhs of trees in a single day.
It's a very meaningful project. Water is an essential stuff wherever it is. The water is fit for drinking. It is not polluted.
We collect PET bottles in order to prevent pollution of the environment and nature.
This is not a one club, one city, one person project. This takes everybody. The more we can get everyone involved, the quicker we can have a greener planet.
10 years is a long time to dedicate to a service project. But that's the commitment 4 Lions clubs and 2 Leo clubs are making to Monas Village with the ambitious goal of bringing the whole community out of poverty. 5 years ago, the 200 families in this village near Indonesia's capital city of Jakarta had high unemployment, poor health care, and a lack of education. Lions adopted the village and cooked up a plan introducing key ingredients to end this poverty. The first priority was to provide clean water.
Before we came in, back in 2007, people doesn't have a place to take a shower.
Dan waktu kita datang,
they had to do their washing and other daily activities in the river. They didn't have toilets.
So Lions built public toilets and bathhouses. Clean water means better sanitation, better health, and a community ready to learn and thrive. So Lions built a community center and established programs to help the community develop, providing literacy classes for women twice a week, and a preschool that nurtures young minds. Lions also wanted to foster self-reliance.
We not only built the community center, but we wanted to equip people with skills.
The Lions enlisted the help of Leos to train local teens to repair motorbikes.
Makanya saya mengajarkan ke mereka.
I would like them to be able to work in a bike workshop one day.
At the cooking class, Lions provide materials and microfinancing to give women economic independence.
Semua takarannya. Mereka belajar membuat kue.
They're learning how to bake a cake. Then they'll sell the cakes at the market to earn money for their families.
Over time, Lions are putting the responsibility for the village back in the hands of the villagers. At first, the literacy class was taught by a lion. Now a community member has taken on that responsibility. Self-reliance is also growing in a garden of medicinal herbs.
Di Balai Sosial Monas,
we planted an herb garden so people in this area could make medicine for themselves, and we teach them how to make use of the herbs.
Lendirnya tempel.
At the monthly Posyandu, community members called cotters have been trained by Lions to monitor the growth and health of children under 5.
The goal is actually to improve the nutritional status of the children. The Lions Club involvement in the Posyandu session is to provide the venue and the equipment, and also to educate the cadres about what other messages should be given to the mothers.
Ini KTP anak sampai umur 5 tahun.
Pregnant women learn about nutrition and the benefits of breastfeeding.
Karena Lions saya di sini.
Because of Lions, I can take care of my health and learn things about my pregnancy. I'm very thankful.
Through this long-term commitment, Lions are helping this community to overcome poverty and see a better future.
Saya sangat bangga.
I'm very proud and happy because we can see the impact we've had on these people.
Hopefully our action will inspire other clubs to do similar thing or even more.
Lions in Whitefish, Montana have been using their brief growing season to cultivate a gift that gives back to their community all year long.
A good Wednesday morning to everyone. Today, our 7th and 8th graders, you are privileged to be a part of the annual Lions Club Potato Harvest today.
It's late September, and students at the middle school are off to harvest vegetables they planted last spring in the Lions Club Farm to School Garden.
It's a lot of fun. I mean, getting out of school to go, pick squash, and it's fun. I mean, you get to get dirty, and vegetables rock.
The garden's local organic produce, rich in vitamins and nutrients, helps cut down on childhood obesity.
It can feed a whole school system from fall till spring, and some of the reasons we grow what we grow is they're kind of low maintenance stuff that will keep for a long time.
There's a potato!
I think it's really helped them understand where some of their food comes from. A lot of them didn't understand that potatoes were in the ground. They just figured they'd show up on their plate.
No potato left behind here.
The kids absolutely love coming out here. Being a part of growing, harvesting, eating those vegetables, they get the whole continuum. I think they like to be a part of something. I mean, you start now.
Once the vegetables are harvested and washed, it's a short trip to the school kitchen where the staff is waiting with open arms.
I had no idea what I was getting into. That first year when
I think they produced 700-800 pounds of potatoes and dropped them off at our doorstep. That's when it became a reality that, all right, now it's my job to get it on the kids' trays.
When I went to school, the vegetables that were offered were probably canned and not eaten. I know I threw all my vegetables away or hid them in my milk carton, but we have a salad bar every day. And I would say up to 50% choose salad bar over even like a pizza day.
It's insane. Like, I swear, when you sit down at the lunch table, everyone around you has a blue tray with just all this lettuce and yummy stuff on it.
We've been able to integrate zucchini into soups and spaghetti sauces, zucchini bread and zucchini crisps, and it's really made us explore our cooking techniques and our knowledge and made us get creative.
When it's all said and done and the last squash has been picked, it's time to give thanks and taste the fruits of their labor.
So we're having a little garden party. We're thanking the community that helped us, the people who gave us donations. We're building a sense of community here.
I'm proud of our crew, proud of the Lions Club and the kids. In a day and age of communities falling apart, this brings us together. It's a good thing.
Now we're gonna eat these things all year here, all right? Here we go.
When you bring things out of the soil and cook and bake or whatever it is an accomplishment.
Feels pretty good, you know? Feels pretty good to farm.
For much of his life, Banad Singh felt the pain of being excluded from sports and other activities because of his physical disability.
I was told that I could not participate with the general players. Thus, I was disqualified, and I became very disappointed.
There are so many handicapped people all around, and they don't get equal opportunity everywhere.
Lions in Kolkata, India made it their mission to ensure that people with physical disabilities have the opportunity to live full lives.
We are doing so many projects for these physically challenged people. We give them physical and educational aid. We provide scholarships and give them artificial limbs.
Lions organize a number of sports events, including swimming competitions and wheelchair races for the physically challenged, and cricket matches for the visually impaired.
This is an activity which is very close to our hearts. They come together, they are in their own environment, they play sports over here, and they enjoy it.
I pray and hope that they continue to help us as they are doing today.
Through these activities, Lions are raising awareness and fostering acceptance and inclusion.
Too often, the physically challenged are pushed aside. We want to provide opportunities for physically challenged people to participate in activities and bring them into the mainstream.
Lions are making sure all people have a chance to come forward, develop their talents, and show what they are able to do. Today, Banad is an accomplished swimmer, and with the support of Lions, he is proving that people with physical disabilities no longer have to sit on the sidelines.
I do not only swim for myself, but I also swim for those of my physically challenged brothers and sisters who, if they see me perform, can also understand that even they can do it.
If you would like to suggest your Lions project for LQ, send your story to lq@lionsclubs.org. LQ is available on the Lions Club's international website, YouTube, iTunes, and DVD. Lions make a difference every day, everywhere. Thanks for watching LQ Lions Quarterly.